So hello guys, for today's video, I'll show you how to install or download the VirtualBox in your Windows. The first thing to do is search the VirtualBox in the Google and then enter and then click the Oracle VirtualBox and go to the download and click the window host. And after that, in the upper side of your laptop, you can see the download history. While our apps is still processing or downloading, we wait until the process is done or downloading is done.
Boy, sulatan na pinita ko na kung app.
So it's already done. Open file and double click. And then after that, ito yung magkikita mo is welcome to the Oracle VirtualBox, and then i-click mo yung next, and then i-accept lang natin ng kanyang terms and click next. And ito is pwede natin siya palitan, so click lang yung change and pipili ka lang kung ano yung gusto mong ilagay dyan. Click mo lang yung program files, kung kahit ano, basta yung gusto mo. And then after this, click the OK and click the next. So this, makikita natin the warning network disconnection, and you can click yes. And we also install missing dependencies, and you can click yes and next and install it. Yan, nagpa-process na siya. So wait lang natin yung pag-process niya hanggang sa ma-install dito. And after that, yan, tapos na, i-click lang natin yung finish, and then punta lang tayo sa VirtualBox. Yun, ito na yung front page ng VirtualBox. Na-download na natin yung VirtualBox. Ang susunod naman is yung Ubuntu. Para ma-download natin yung Ubuntu, i-search na natin ito sa Google, and then i-click natin yung Ubuntu Enterprise, Open Source, and Linux. Pagkatapos maklik yun, is hanapin lang natin dito kung ano yung gusto natin i-download. Pinutin natin yung Ubuntu Desktop, and pagkatapos nun is hanapin natin yung Ubuntu 24.04.2 LTS, and then pag natin is ito yung ating i-download, i-click lang natin yung download. And then sa upper side ng laptop nyo is you can see the Ubuntu is installing or downloading, and we need to wait that process. And after, you go to the VirtualBox and you click the new, and you can put Ubuntu in the name, and in the folder pwede mo siyang palitan, it depends on you. And in the ISO image, this is so important, so you need to change that. You need to click the others and click the Ubuntu and open it. And then you need to set the unattended install. So before that, you need to set your username or password, because this is so important. Don't forget that. And then after you set your username and password, so dapat walang X dito, walang nag-red, dapat check lang palagi. And the next is you click the guest, and ayusin mo lang yung hardware. Bali yung basic memory is magiging 5196 MB, and then the processor is dapat 4 siya. And then bago matapos yung is mag-aano man tayo ng hard disk, and then i-ano mo lang siya sa 30.26 GB, and then click finish. Pagkatapos is nakapag-download tayo ng Ubuntu sa VirtualBox. So ayun, nakapag-download na tayo, is isi-set up lang natin siya. I-click lang natin yung Ubuntu Safe Graphics, and then pagkatapos na click is ito na yung makikita mo, nagpa-process na siya. And then, after nag-process ng matagal is, i-welcome ka na ni Ubuntu. And, yun, tapos na meron na tayong Ubuntu sa VirtualBox. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And after that, nakapag-install na po na tayo ng Ubuntu sa VirtualBox.